When Neil deGrasse Tyson stepped onto the stage last month during a streamed astrophysics symposium, no one expected what came next. With his signature calm and clarity, he paused, then delivered a sentence that sent shivers through the scientific community.
Have you really thought about what it would take to fake a moon landing?
The moon may not be what we think it is. In fact, it may never have been. The auditorium fell silent. Scientists, educators, space enthusiasts across the world leaned forward, and in the span of 1 minute, Tyson dropped 3 truths that would challenge everything we assumed about Earth's most familiar companion. The moon's core might not be solid at all. Its orbit is shifting in ways we can't fully explain. And most disturbingly, its internal echo suggests hollow zones we've never mapped before. Before we continue, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and get ready, because what Tyson revealed next will make you question everything you ever knew about our closest celestial neighbor. For centuries, the moon has been a symbol of calm, consistency, and wonder. We've mapped its surface, walked on it, studied its craters, and modeled its formation with mathematical precision. We believed it was formed from a massive impact, Earth colliding with a Mars-sized object, ejecting debris that eventually became the moon. But Tyson's revelation didn't come from history books or guesses. It came from new data, ranging from ultra-deep seismic readings captured by retrofitted Apollo-era instruments, to thermal imaging from orbiters and interferometric radar scans powered by AI. The moon, it turns out, is not the dead, simple rock we thought it was. Let's start with the first twist Tyson laid bare. The moon's core isn't behaving like a traditional planetary core. Instead of a hot, dense metallic center, new seismic echoes suggest a fractured, possibly layered shell of materials, with zones that don't conduct heat or waves the way they should. This has led scientists to ask a radical question. What if the moon is partially hollow? We're not talking about science fiction or ancient alien myths, but real, measurable anomalies where seismic waves echo longer than expected, suggesting cavities or low-density regions buried deep beneath the surface. Then came the second bombshell. The moon's orbit is changing, but not in the way models predict. While it's well known that the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, Tyson pointed out subtle accelerations in its lateral movement, millimeter-level deviations that don't align with known gravitational interactions. It's not just moving away, it's wobbling. These oscillations are tiny, but consistent, and the data from laser reflectors left by Apollo missions confirm it's not noise. Tyson proposed that these shifts may be driven by internal mass redistributions, or even the presence of subsurface magma chambers that were thought to be long dormant. One of the most shocking parts of Tyson's presentation came when he revealed findings from new AI-analyzed moonquakes. During certain lunar tremors, seismic waves rebounded in patterns resembling resonance, similar to how sound echoes in a cave. But these weren't surface quakes. They originated deep inside, from regions that had no known tectonic activity. The implication? There may be chambers, voids, or layered materials that interact with energy in unexpected, even engineered ways. Some researchers have dared to ask, could the moon have natural resonant chambers that amplify electromagnetic or gravitational forces? And if so, what formed them? The moon's far side, long thought to be colder and geologically inactive, has recently shown heat anomalies. New thermal scans have revealed unexpected warm patches, some of which appear to pulse faintly over time. They're not correlated with sunlight exposure, radioactive decay, or micrometeorite impacts. Tyson suggested they may be caused by subsurface reactions, possibly involving exotic materials we haven't even identified yet. Could these be remnants of past volcanic activity, or signs that the moon is still alive in some way? Either answer leads to more questions. Here's where Tyson touched a nerve in the room. While remaining scientific and grounded, he admitted that the moon's internal irregularities, its orbit, its heat, its resonance, don't comfortably fit within traditional planetary formation theories. He even acknowledged that multiple space agencies, including NASA and Roscosmos, have flagged similar anomalies, some dating back to the 1970s. What if, he asked, the moon was not entirely natural, not necessarily artificial, but altered? Could it be a captured object from elsewhere in the solar system? or worse, something built or repurposed by forces we've yet to understand. This isn't just about the moon. Tyson closed by explaining how these revelations tie into the broader search for exomoons in planetary systems. If our own moon hides layers of mystery, what about the thousands of moons orbiting gas giants across the universe? What if some of them also contain internal chambers, resonant materials, or unexpected heat? The idea of moons being dormant energy systems, protective buffers, or even storage vaults of unknown chemistry is now gaining attention across astrophysics think tanks. So what does this mean for us? It means the moon, the one thing we thought we knew so well, might just be the most mysterious object in the sky. It means we've been staring at a puzzle every night without knowing how many pieces are missing. And it means that Earth's closest neighbor could still be hiding secrets that change our view of planetary science forever. If you found this as shocking as we did, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because this story is only just beginning. And don't forget to watch our latest video on Voyager 1's discovery at the edge of the solar system, because while the moon may hide secrets beneath its surface, Voyager 1 may have found a secret surrounding us all. Click here to watch that video now. And let us know in the comments, do you think the moon is still hiding something? We want to hear from you. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep your eyes on the skies.